What's going on, guys? Today I'm at it again, making another video. I am working on my 2020 Camaro SS1LE. I'm going to be doing a J and L oil separator. It's like a catch can. But yeah, I'm going to bring you in to do that, to show you how I do it. Not like really in how to, but I mean, first time I'm installing this one, and we'll see how it goes. But I'm going to show you the product first, then we'll go from there. Alright guys, here it is. I ordered it from Fast Tech Performance. They're out of Houston, Texas. This is what I got. Let me focus the box. I guess it's flipped upside down. Let me see, I guess. Well, yeah, that don't work neither. Backwards. But it is 3081D/B. I got the anodized black. Here it comes put together. Pretty nice piece. I liked it. It was about $174 after taxes and shipping. I think it was free shipping. Yeah, comes with that. The bracket to mount it to. And a link to the instructions on how to do it. And a little card for the company, I guess. And sticker. So yeah, then we get all this together, get all the tools I'm gonna need, and then we'll go from there. All right, this is where I'm at. Sorry. All right, so you have to take these panels off. They go on each side of the motor. On top of this engine cover, like that. They just pull up. And then you need to remove this. You don't have to remove it all the way because there's the harness, everything's right here on top of it. But there is 4 bolts right here. They're like little standoffs. It is a 10mm heat socket. That you use to take that off. Yes. And then now you'll have to use, there's 2 hoses here.
Oh yeah.
You just push them in.
Yeah, push it here. That's right.
Push them in, come off. The bottom one goes the same way. This is the same one.
So nice.
And there's like a, let me see, I get that focused.
Oh wow, yeah, that's right.
It goes like that. You just squeeze it and it comes off.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
Right.
That's my daughter in the background.
Okay, this is right. See, right? Right. No, right.
And then until you get to that part. Now there's a bracket that goes on top of here. 2 screws are provided.
Oh yeah.
And I'll install that bracket to this thing, and then we'll go from there. All right, I got it put together, all ready to go. You have to remove this bolt, which is using a millimeter. It's a 13.
Yeah.
13mm. I use my impact to take it off.
Oh yeah.
Go right here. Use that. Go like that.
Oh yeah, right.
And then go back. There. Good.
That.
Yeah. And we'll run our hoses. Top one goes run it through here. Top one. Which one's longer? I think they're about the same. Let me check. Alright, I looked it up and it seems like the longer one goes to the one that's down on the engine. Just push it in and it's in.
Oh wow, yeah.
And then this one, I'll try to run it on the harness, but it's at a weird angle. So
Oh, and
go
what's
like that. And that's it. We're good to go. One right there, one right there. And it's locked in place.
Oh yeah.
Locked in place.
Yeah.
Then I'll go ahead and put this back together and we'll go from there.
Yeah. Oh, what's happening?
Alright, I got the bolt all screwed in by hand. Go in there, tighten it. And it's on this lowest setting on this impact. You don't have to get them that tight. My daughter doesn't like the sand.
Oh, why?
That's it. Take this one. That's it. Good to go. Simple snug.
Oh no. Yeah.
And this goes back. Oh, let me put this harness. I pulled this harness out because I was going to take it off, but don't need to.
Yeah.
And then here. That's it. That one. And then that one. I need to repaint these letters. They're all faded. But repaint them.
You're right.
But I plan on doing the LT2 intake, so I probably won't need them anyways.
Oh yeah.
And we'll go from there. Alright, and that was the install.
Yes.
You just spit this away and save it. In case you ever want to get a different one or you want to put it back to stock, you use that.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, finished the install on my 2020 Camaro SS. Y'all out of focus? Yeah, either way. But the car came with the Chevy Performance intake, which will save me some money. My next step on doing is an LT2 intake, a Flex Fuel E85 kit. Then I will do headers, X-pipe, and see how it sounds through the factory mufflers. I have the dual exhaust valve motor to change from open to close. Sounds pretty good, so I think it'll sound really good with the headers and cat delete. But I like all kinds of vehicles. As you've seen on my channel, I have my Mazda mini truck and I got my little Blazer. Soon to be that one I'm probably gonna do an LS swap, make it a little sport truck. But yeah, keep in touch for more content. As I get parts in, I'll make more videos, or if I'm just hanging out, I'll make a video and just go from there. We'll check you later.